Welcome to today's daily market dissection. The purpose of this educational video is to point out where the Pro9 Trader rules agreed with the Pro9 Trader indicators to produce a qualified trade. Please note that these are hypothetical examples and were not taken live, and as such, they do not account for market conditions such as slippage or orders not being filled. They are for educational purposes to help you fast track your trading and improve your ability to identify our qualified trade setups. Good afternoon. Welcome to the daily market dissection for Tuesday, December 5th, 2017. Today's market is the NQ. We do have a lot of trades today, so we will be moving rather quickly. I'll just stop and investigate any that are curious or any exceptions or edge cases. First off, we have a single T short right out of the gate. This one does hit profit target, and we do trail at the green DPI with our runner, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a single T. This one hits profit target and grabs an extra tick with the runner. We do get stopped out and enter this momentum short, which unfortunately goes against us. Now we do avoid this single T here because our EMAs are not in the correct order and our turn bar did not touch the 50 EMA. So we do avoid a losing trade there. We do catch this continuation long that does hit profit target, and at the close of bar 8 we can widen to the red DPI, riding over any tails along the way here on bar 12 and 21, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a continuation long, this one just hitting profit target, the runner getting stopped out at break even. Then we have 9:45 and 10 a.m. news, which will keep us out of all of these momentum and continuation trades that pop up. Our next qualified trade is a momentum short, this one just hitting its profit target, the runner getting stopped out at break even. Followed by a single T long at 10:25, just hitting profit target. Our next one is a momentum long, also just hitting profit target. Then we have a single T that just hits profit target, and we can hop back in on this momentum, which also just hits its profit target. Then we have a string of momentums back to back in one run. Our first one does go against us. However, we do have two that just hit profit target. And finally, the third one lets us catch the runner, catching the rest of this run, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have the surf short that hits profit target, and the runner grabs a couple extra ticks. Then we have a momentum short that just hits profit target, plenty of room before we hit the 200, followed by another momentum that doesn't quite hit our 6-tick profit target. This single T here doesn't qualify as our 200 is not in the correct order, but we are able to catch this continuation. Our entry is past the 200, it does hit profit target, and the runner grabs a couple extra ticks. A bit later we have a momentum short at 12:56. This one hits profit target, and we're able to trail at the green DPI, riding over these wicks here on bars 19-21, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a single T short that just hits profit target, followed by a single T short, and this one unfortunately goes against us for a full stop. Then we have a continuation long just hitting profit target, followed by a continuation short at 14:14. This one hits profit target, and the runner grabs a couple extra ticks, trailing at the high of bar 7. This is followed by a few momentums in a row, the first one just hitting profit target, the second one grabbing a couple extra ticks by trailing at the green DPI, getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a divergence reversal on the way up. This one just hits profit target. We have a momentum, followed by a continuation, which grabs an extra tick. Then we have a continuation short that hits profit target, followed by 4 momentums in a row that all hit profit target with no runners. We have this quick surf long that just hits its profit target, followed by a continuation that is a full stop. And towards the end of the day, we catch a momentum short that unfortunately goes against us. And our last runner of the day is a single T short. At the close of bar 7, we can widen our stop to the green DPI and ride over this wick here, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. And that is all of our qualified trades for the day.